Unbelievable grandeur and luxury await in Glenayre. Glenayre is an exclusive Roswell neighborhood featuring 24-hour gated access. Nestled in a 2-acre lot featuring privacy and a beautiful pool, this home is certain to take your breath away. The entire 2 acres has been professionally landscaped. An intricate brick walkway leads to the stately but welcoming entrance. An incredible 13,000 square feet of decadence opens before you as you enter the foyer. Tile inlays with cherry hardwoods create a stunning palette for this 2-story masterpiece. The terrace level is unfinished, allowing for even more square footage. Imagine the entertainment possibilities presented by this magnificent formal dining room. Recessed lighting and a beautiful chandelier accent the double crown molding and fine architectural details. The butler's pantry features top-of-the-line cabinetry, countertops, and finishing touches, including a dishwasher. An elegant archway mirroring the front entrance leads to the refined elegance of the living room. French doors and transom windows allow light to bathe the room. The custom limestone mantel is flanked by recessed built-in bookcases. Beautiful coffered ceilings feature recessed lighting and an ornate chandelier. Just beyond the living room is the breathtaking kitchen area. Large and luxurious and full of light, this is sure to be the favorite spot of family and guests alike. An easy flow into the hearth room and breakfast nook allow for large casual gatherings or cozy entertaining. Notice not only the size of these rooms, but the wonderful views from the oversized windows with transoms. The beautiful oversized island is topped with granite. All appliances are state-of-the-art, featuring Wolf and dual Sub-Zero cabinet front refrigerators. There's also a large walk-in pantry. The view into the kitchen from the hearth room showcases the tremendous space and allure of this home. This main floor hideaway would serve as a perfect family office. Incredible built-in desks adorn facing walls, and built-in credenzas allow for plenty of storage. A main floor laundry is always a nice touch. This one will appeal to your sense of comfort, as it easily doubles as a mudroom with a separate entrance and built-in cherry storage. Cherry paneling surrounds the stylish study. Another fireplace creates atmosphere to this sophisticated room. Built-ins and vaulted ceilings are finishing touches you have come to expect. The master suite is an elegant escape. Coffered ceilings and elaborate trim combine to create a stunning retreat. The master's sitting room features a fireplace and access to the deck and pool. A convenient morning bar features a refrigerator, sink, and microwave. The master bath will remind you of your favorite spa. No detail has been overlooked. Beautiful marble surrounds the raised jetted tub and fireplace, dividing the room into his and hers areas. The shower is oversized and walks through each side. Two huge closets feature built-ins, islands for storage, and in-wall safes. Upstairs, you'll find the secondary bedrooms, each with a private bath. Extra-large hallways allow for an open feeling, and a closet at the end of the hall hides an elevator shaft, ready for finishing. There's another large laundry room and a wonderful lounge area perfect for a second family room. Exiting through the breakfast nook, you'll find a wonderland of outdoor space. The large upper patio is sun-filled and private. There is a covered patio below, finished with the same attention to detail. And finally, a lush lawn surrounding a beautiful pool. The pool features a waterfall into the deep center. Beautiful landscaping and wrought iron fencing contribute finishing touches to the incredible private backyard.